Now?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Mom, I'm going to show you that I need a German Shepherd, okay?
Okay.
A German Shepherd is a breed of dog. German Shepherds are smart, loyal, and brave. German Shepherds love to work. They guard and obey their owners. German Shepherds have long, muscular bodies. They have a long muzzle and dark eyes. Their pointy ears stand up. German Shepherd's tail are long and bushy. Oh my gosh.
Whoa!
Just a second.
German Shepherds are about...
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Sully,
Whoa!
can you listen? Can you listen to Laney about her dog? Okay.
German Shepherds are about 2 feet and 61 centimeters tall. They can weigh between 75 and 95 pounds. German Shepherd's fur can be short, medium, or long. It can be wavy or straight. Newborn German Shepherd puppies weigh about 1 pound. The puppies are born with floppy ears. The ears stand up straighter as the puppies get older. German Shepherds are working dogs. More than 100 years ago, people began to use them to herd sheep. Today, German Shepherds work as police dogs, military dogs, and guard dogs. Some guide people who are blind. Others are search and rescue dogs. German Shepherds are good with kids. German Shepherd puppies make good pets. Adult German Shepherds do not need as much training as boys.
And so why should you get a German Shepherd?
Because this.
Because you did a report on them.